This is the Pen Display Bundle 16. Let's unbox it. Opening the box, we are greeted by a thank you card and the illustration with the quick installation guide. Then there's the display itself, with a nice cover. Even without turning it on, we can see it has almost no reflections. This means no more searching for the perfect lighting conditions to be able to work. The box also includes a portable lightweight easel that has two settings, 18 and 42 degrees. It's made of a strong plastic. It has some rubber here and here so the display doesn't move. Xencelabs also offers an adjustable desk stand with a VISA adapter that is sold separately. The Pen Display 16 comes with two pens. It's the version 2 of the Xencelabs pens. It comes with a free button pen and the thin pen with just 2 buttons. And just like all other Xencelabs tablets, it brings extra nibs and the USB dongle and some other extras. It also comes with quick keys. I believe you already know this incredible piece of hardware. I love it. And also with the USB hub. And we also have the USB cable that we can use to work with the computer. We also have these adapters that we can use to have our pens always close to the display. Here in this box we have the glove, a sticker, the warranty, and the sticker. On the other box we have the power adapter with 1, 2, 3, 4 different adapters, so we can use everywhere in the world. And here we have lots of cables. We don't need any more cables, we have all that we need here. So let's try it. But before that, there's another thing. Here we have this amazing bag that turns this display very portable. Using the Pen Display 16 is very simple. In my case, since I already own other Xencelabs tablets, I just need to plug in the USB cable and I'm ready to go, because I already have the driver installed. For those without the driver installed, the box includes the quick install instructions with a QR code to download the driver and access the help page and additional documentation. The Xencelabs software offers the same controls as the other Xencelabs tablets, such as pen pressure settings and quick keys shortcuts. New features on the driver software compared to the pen tablets include a color space configuration menu, an image control menu for adjusting brightness and contrast, and the quick actions menu. On the display control menu, we can enable virtual tablet mode, letting us control a secondary screen without leaving the Display 16. There's also a cursor offset adjustment to reposition the contact point of the pen. If our hand gets in the way, we can move the cursor so we can see it better. The menu also handles display orientation and pen calibration, which should be done whenever we change the resolution or orientation of the pen display. The Pen Display 16 surface is amazing. It ensures smooth pen movement with minimal flare. Its accurate colors and precision makes it ideal for photography, design, illustration, or 3D artists. Plus, its compact size and lightweight build offers mobility without compromising quality or precision.